Welcome back everyone. We're going to see if Temu is still a good place to shop in 2025. Temu, launched in 2022 by Chinese company PDD Holdings, is an ultra-low-cost e-commerce marketplace offering a vast range of products. It delivers goods directly from manufacturers to consumers via a tariff exemption model, making prices rock bottom but at potential cost to qualify and compliance. You get deep discounts, promo credits, coupons, and flash sales support heavy marketing gamification. It has an extensive product range from clothing and beauty to cookware, tools, and electronics. Their initiative app is user-friendly with interface and attractive promos and easy navigation. Also, a 90-day returns accepted for most items, though refunds often come in store credit. And price reels, countdowns, and team purchases features via drive engagement but exploit psychological tactics with gamified shopping experience. So you get unbeatable prices, vast variety, no-code UI, free shipping, and return flexibility. But now let's move on to the cons and risks. User frequently reported poor build quality, misleading photos or items that dramatically differ from description, long or inconsistent shopping times, also evidence of fake reviews and removal of negative posts by discontinuing listings, undermining credibility, and review removal tactics discourage honest user feedback. Resolving issues, refunds, and returns is inconsistent, communication often slow or unhelpful. Multiple US states have sued Temu for data collection, alleged malware, unwanted texts, and cybersecurity risks. Investigations over counterfeit goods, forced labor in supply chains, and violations of UE regulations under Digital Services Act. Toxic items, contaminated cosmetics, children's items with heavy metals have also been documented. Also, the app uses gamification techniques like spinning wheels and fake countdowns to increase engagement and spending. So, Temu is a legitimate and budget-friendly, especially for bargain shoppers seeking cheap, non-essential goods. However, consistency and reliability are major issues. The platform thrives on aggressive marketing and questionable quality control. Also, major privacy, safety, and ethical concerns should not be ignored. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.